Okay, good morning guys. Ngayon, ituturo ko po kung ano ang pinakamasarap na marinate na baby back ribs with lamb. Siyempre, first, andito na mga ingredients. Pineapple, nor seasoning, toyo, parang si Mrs. lang may toyo, ketchup, at siyempre, ang pinaka-secret ingredients natin is hoisin sauce. Okay. I start the pineapple. Okay. Lagyan natin pineapple. Ikot-ikutin. Parang si Jowa. Pinaikot-ikot lang. Okay. And next. 1 cup of nor seasoning. Up. 1 cup of toyo. Sana isang beses lang tinotoyo, hindi palagi. Siyempre, the ketchup. 2 cups of ketchup. Okay. And the main ingredients, of course, hoisin sauce. 2 cups then 1. Okay, 2 cups and alright. Sugar, syempre. Sugar naman 3 cups tayo mga boy. 2 3. Okay. Siyempre meron pang 4 kantos. Hindi yan anak ha. Star anise. At least mga 15. Okay. Okay. That's all. Thank you.